After learning about the equality of fractions, now let us discuss about like and unlike fractions. If two or more than two fractions have the same denominator, then they are called like fractions. So, like fractions have the same denominator. Okay. For example, all these fractions what I have taken, they have the same denominator 7. So, they are like fractions. If the denominators are not equal, then they are called as unlike fractions. For example, these fractions have different denominators, so they are unlike fractions. So, if the fractions have the same denominator, they are the like fractions. If the fractions does not have the same denominator, if they have different denominator, they are called unlike fractions. So, like fractions and unlike fractions. Here the most important point is we can convert a like fraction into an unlike fraction into like fraction using a small rule. We can convert unlike fractions into like fractions using a small rule. Let us see what is the rule useful. We can multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of any fraction with the same number, then the value of the rest number does not change. If you multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of a rest number, then the value of the rest number does not change. This is the most important rule we are going to use to convert unlike fractions as like fractions. Let us see here. Two by 5 is a rational number. Let us multiply the numerator of 2 by 5. Let us multiply the numerator and denominator of 2 by 5 with another integer, say 3. 2 into 3 by 5 into 3. Then you will get 2 3s are 6, 15. Now 2 by 5 is always equal to 6 by 15. Let us verify. Take the cross multiplication. So, you are getting the equal fractions. So, whenever you multiply the numerator and denominator of a particular fraction, the value of the fraction does not change. And this is the most important rule, and this rule we are going to use to convert unlike fraction into like fraction, which is our next topic. Now, let us see how can you convert unlike fraction into like fraction without changing its values. For example, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are unlike. Basically 2 by 3, 4 by 5 are unlike, because here the denominator is 3, there the denominator is 5. 3 and 5 are different, so they are unlike. Now, its denominator is 3, its denominator is 5. Multiply the numerator and denominator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. That is, multiply 2 by 3 with 5. So, 2 by 3 into 5 into 5. So, we have multiplied the numerator and denominator of the fraction with the same number. So, the value of the fraction will not change. Next. Similarly, take 4 by 5. Multiply the numerator and denominator of the second fraction with the denominator of the first fraction. That is 3, 3. Now let us simplify. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Now they become like fractions. So previously they are unlike because the denominators are different. So we multiply the numerator and denominator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction, and the numerator and denominator of the second fraction with the denominator of the first fraction. So you got the same denominators, that's why they are like fractions. So this is the way to convert unlike fractions to like fractions. And that's it for today. I am signing off.